Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
The nearest tube station to Green Park is the Green Park Station.
47% of Greater London is a green space. So come and join us. We're gonna visit one of the parks in London, and it's the Green Park.
Of London's 8 royal parks, Green Park is the smallest one, and it is unique in that it has no lakes, no flower beds, no buildings in its grounds, no playgrounds, but what it lacks is general
Hi,
parkland amenities.
Say hi!
Green Park is a 40-acre triangular area of parkland that is lodged between the much larger St. James Park and Hyde Park. In 1976, it was originally named Green Park because it was almost like an open meadow with very few trees in situ. Green Park used to have loads of beautiful flower beds. However, one day, King Charles II's wife, Queen Charlotte, caught him red-handed picking some of the park's flowers for one of his many lovers. And as a result, she ordered that all the flowers in Green Park be pulled up and the flower beds filled in. And to this very day, Green Park does have not any flower beds. After a few minutes walk, we're now here in Buckingham Palace, stuck in the middle of the three parks. Buckingham Palace is one of the recognizable London landmarks. Started life in 1703 as a privately owned large townhouse, but in 1761 it was acquired by King Charles III as a residence for his queen, and it was formerly known as Queen's House. Buckingham Palace is a must for anybody visiting London.
Hi guys, now we're in front of Buckingham Palace, where the changing of guard happens usually at 11 p.m. So come and let's watch it. Every day there are always hundreds of tourists and visitors in front of Buckingham Palace to watch the changing of the guards. But with COVID-19 virus, the roads and pavements surrounding Buckingham Palace on the day of our visit is almost empty.
Your London visit wouldn't be complete without visiting Buckingham Palace. Whether you are a massive fan of the royal family or you simply want to see one of the British biggest cultural landmarks, no matter what, you'll find something to love inside its lavish
Hi guys,
walls.
now we're in St. James Park. Come and join me. Let's explore St. James Park.
Of London's 8 royal parks, St. James Park is the oldest as well as one of the most beautiful. While not as large as Kensington Gardens, Hyde Park, or Regent's Park, its setting near Buckingham Palace and St. James Palace, as well as fine views of Big Ben and London Eye, certainly make it one of the London's most scenic spots. This 58 acres park is situated right in the heart of London, yet offers a natural escape with its meandering pathways, a lake that's home to many species of birds, and splendid flowers that are especially striking in the spring. St. James Park is also where you'll find a mall, a tree-lined road that connects Trafalgar Square and Buckingham Palace. Since it's surrounded by so many of London's top landmarks, St. James Park is the perfect place for a rest or picnic while sightseeing or after seeing the changing of the guard ceremony.
Yung tax
He
naman.
likes apple. Yan, umupo ka.
Dapat tumakan ng mga.
Hi, Birdie! How are you? Good morning! Hi! What's your name? Lovely bunch! Ah, you're so hungry. You can have it. On reaching the Blue Bridge, cross and pause on the middle to get a superb view each way down the lake, providing a great vantage point to observe the lake's waterfall.
Nakita nyo, matamis.
all the parks in central London, I think St. James is my favorite. In fact, I don't think I've ever walked up the mall due to the park enticing me with its beautiful and attractive green space every time I'm near it. Despite St. James Park being the most visited parks in Europe, with a hefty footfall of over 5.5 million visitors every year, nature and wildlife has still found ways to flourish. Look out on the right for the little rocky reef pool, which undoubtedly will be in use by a pair of mallards. The park immediately gives the impression of a well-groomed space with colorful borders lining the neatly trimmed lawns. Duck Island, jutting out in the eastern end of the lake, acts as the park's nature reserve, and there are approximately 20 species of birds that regularly breed in the park. At the end of the park, the first thing that draws your attention is the Guards Division War Memorial, a large cenotaph to commemorate the guardsmen who died in World War I. 5 life-size bronze figures adorn the memorial, representing the Foot Guard Regiment. Also see the Horse Guard Parade. Dami na nating pictures. Guys, napagod ako ng kalalakad, kaya I'm gonna have some bites. I have macaroni and cheese with kale and cauliflower. So come. Bye for now, guys. Please stay connected for more of my London walking tour. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love, love, love.